Where does high-end PCB manufacturing in Vietnam begin? It begins here, at Zhanhua Chemical. We are a nationally recognized by China manufacturing single champion. We also have complete production capacity for ammonium and potassium persulfate. Total annual capacity of tens of thousands of tons of persulfates. Powering electronics manufacturing worldwide. High purity means fewer defects. Our persulfates deliver stable etching and superior hole cleaning, higher yield, lower production costs for you. We are not just a supplier. We are your neighbor. With Xiamen Port nearby, we offer fast, reliable delivery to Bac Ninh and Hanoi. Always in stock, always responsive. July 14th, Vietnam Exposition Center, Vec Hanoi. Meet Zhanhua Chemical at the Hanoi International Electronics Smart Manufacturing Expo. Let's talk about your next generation production line. Zhanhua Chemical. Stable supply, pure quality.